As you guys are aware of my title that you have seen, I guess you can tell that there is something amazing to tell you that has gone on in my life that I just found out today about, that is beyond belief amazing. I'm so shocked as can be that I didn't even expect this to happen so soon, but it has happened. So stay tuned for this and I'll tell you exactly what it is. Welcome back, Cooking Squad. How's it going? Today is such an amazing day. Now, as I said in a little blurb just before, it is the biggest reveal of my life, because it is. It's the most amazing, well, I'm going blank how amazing this is. And you guys must be wondering, what the heck is he talking about? What the heck did he cover up in his thumbnail? Well, to let you know, I have finally hit the 4,000 hours, and before I've had the 1,000 subscribers. So I've been working towards the 4,000 hours and I've passed the 4,000 hours. 4,100 and some odd hours. Which is amazing, Cooking Squad. We have done it. We have achieved our dream. We have achieved to get my monetization back so that I can put some ads and make a little bit of money, as everyone else does who makes money from their ads and their videos and everything else. But this is the most amazing thing, because literally, okay? But before I get more into this, I have to give out some shout outs. Now on my phone, I have the shout outs. So the first one is Chuck, because he subscribed to my channel. He also hit that little bell. Sorry about that. He hit that bell and he wrote "done" in the comments below. Thank you, Chuck, for doing that. Now I'm gonna bring up the other people, because there is more than one person. And with my faulty brain, I forget everybody. So there is Cameron Lahash. And there is James again. James Kaiser, I guess is how you say it. I'm sorry, I'm not sure, but at least I know your name is James. And he's already done it before, but thank you for doing it again. Thank you, Cameron Lahash, for doing it, and thank you, Chuck, for doing it. Now, if you want a shout out, Cooking Squad, you have to do 3 things. First one, well, there's actually 4 things you can do. But the first 3 pertain to the very first one. The first thing you can do is subscribe to my channel, click the little bell notification so that you know when I upload a new video, which is Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and Tuesdays and Thursdays for mini episodes. So Mondays, Wednesdays, Fridays, long episodes, and Tuesdays, Thursdays, mini episode. And also, another thing you can do, well, you have to write in the bottom below, you have to write in the comments "done" to say that you've done it all. Okay, that's what you have to do. Now, the second thing you can do is the simplest thing. All you have to do is find the link in the description below, Zazzle.ca, and you can click the link and go and buy my merchandise. You go and do that, and I will gladly give you a shout out. Now, this is why I'm doing a shout out to Ben Glowa for buying my shirt, and to Sonia Tomyuk for buying one of my shirts. 2 people have bought my shirts, and that is amazing. That helps me a lot. That helps, gets out the word. The fastest way is for you guys to buy my merchandise and spread the word with everybody, because that is what we are trying to do. We are trying to create a Cooking Squad here. So the most amazing thing that has happened, again, as I'm telling you again, was I got my 4,000 hours that I need, and I've already had my 1,000 subscribers. So now I'm just waiting for YouTube to say, hey, you can get your monetization back. Great, I'm excited for that. But the only problem is it takes a month, which I find to be ridiculously crazy. A month to get this going. A month to get this, well, to start making money. I mean, a month, I don't see the purpose of it. I should see that it's like, you know what, you need to really get with the ball, get with the program, and really figure this all out. But I am happy because, well, Well, just to end this video, best way to put it, I'm thanking you guys. I'm thanking all of you Cooking Squad. I'm thanking you all for your support, all for your dedication to help spread the word, to help make this the most lit cooking channel on YouTube. Yes, we are far from it, but we will achieve that goal together as a Cooking Squad family. So you know what? Please, remember, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do that below. Click the little bell also right next to it and comment below, done. If you want to ask me anything, or if you want to tell me anything, or if you want to just put a comment, put it in the comments below, right below this video. Also, remember to share this with your friends, family, and all your social medias. And remember, you guys are awesome. You guys are amazing. You're one of a kind. You're beautiful. And thank you for being part of Cooking Squad and supporting it and doing all you can to make it the most lit YouTube and cooking YouTube channel on YouTube. And also remember, the most important thing is keep calm and cook on.